Welcome to the best picks. The best propane hose is probably one of the most underrated accessories for your propane-fueled appliances. Whether you're grilling, heating, or using other propane devices, a 6-foot extension hose offers incredible flexibility. It allows you to position your equipment exactly where you need it, making setup easier and more convenient. This video will explore why a good propane extension hose is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast or homeowner. Number 5. Stainless steel propane hose extension for grill and fire pit. This 6-foot stainless steel braided propane hose extends the reach of your propane tank to your appliances. It's perfect for grills, RVs, fire pits, and more, giving you flexibility and convenience. Made with high-quality materials, this hose is built to last. The inner hose is flame-resistant, and the 304 stainless steel braid and brass fittings prevent rust, ensuring safety and longevity. Featuring standard 3/8 female x 3/8 male flare fittings, it's designed to connect to a wide range of propane appliances. This makes it a versatile solution for various outdoor setups. Ideal for RVs, gas grills, propane heaters, fire pits, and propane smokers. This hose provides a reliable and safe connection for all your propane needs. We stand behind the quality of this product with a 10-year warranty. You can purchase with confidence, knowing that it's protected against quality-related issues. What we like. This hose features a flame-resistant inner hose, providing an extra layer of safety. Plus, with a 10-year warranty, you can be confident in its longevity. If you prioritize safety and long-term reliability, this is the perfect choice for your grilling setup. What people say. The hose is well made and appears to be durable. It works perfectly and is exactly what I needed. The length is perfect for my needs. Number 4. Stainless steel propane hose extension assembly. This is a 12-foot propane appliance extension hose assembly. It comes with 3/8 female flare fitting x 3/8 male flare fitting. It's designed to extend the distance between your propane tank and low-pressure equipment. The package includes the 12-foot hose assembly, thread seal tape, and a wrench. It has everything you need for a quick and easy setup. Installation is simple. The 3/8 female x 3/8 male flare fittings allow for tool-free installation. You can set it up in minutes. This propane flexible hose assembly provides secure connections. The design ensures airtightness and stability, giving you peace of mind while you use it. This LP propane gas hose assembly extends the distance between your propane tank and your appliances. It gives you more flexibility in your setup. Made from high-quality stainless steel and solid brass, this hose is built to last. We are committed to providing a satisfactory experience. What we like. This product includes a wrench and thread seal tape, making installation a breeze. The secure connections ensure airtightness and stability. If you are looking for a hassle-free setup with everything you need right out of the box, this is the one for you. What people say. It allowed me to use the girl for the 4th, left under pressure all weekend and had no issues. I needed a hose, not rubber, that would get my propane tanks away from my generator. This one fit exactly what I wanted. Hooking up propane tanks from outside to indoor heater. Stainless steel is the way to go for outdoor use, house fit perfectly. Number 3. DOZYANT 6-feet propane hose extension. This stainless steel braided hose is designed to extend the propane tank line. It allows you to move your gas tank further away from your grill or other appliances. It's a convenient solution for various setups. The hose features 3/8 female flare fittings on both ends. This design ensures a secure and reliable connection to your appliances. It's easy to connect to devices with a 3/8 male flare fitting. This hose is perfect for use with RVs, gas grills, propane heaters, stoves, fire pit tables, and more. It's a versatile solution for many low-pressure propane appliances. Ensure your appliance is compatible. It's commonly used to connect an auxiliary tank to a motorhome. This hose provides the flexibility needed for various applications. It's a practical addition to your propane setup. The 6-foot, 72-inch hose is made of durable, braided stainless steel. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. It's built to last and withstand regular use. What we like. This hose has female 3/8 ends on both sides, offering unique versatility. The stainless steel braiding ensures durability and easy installation. If you need to connect to an appliance with a 3/8 male flare fitting, this is the perfect solution. What people say. Easy to install. No chance of kinking. I bought this line to connect my propane tanks to my generator. I built an outside enclosure for the generator so it could remain hooked up and ready to go at the turn of a key all year round, and needed the length of hose to reach from the tanks to the connection on RH generator inside the enclosure, and it needed to be sturdy and durable as a few feet of it will always be exposed to the weather. So far it's very nice, strong, and sturdy, and I feel it will last a long time. The stainless steel overbraid protect the hose from squirrel damage. Number 2. SHINESTAR 6 feet propane hose extension. This extension hose helps connect your gas grill or other propane appliances to a larger propane tank. It allows you to easily set up multiple devices. The 6-foot length provides a safe distance between your appliance and the fuel tank. It gives you more flexibility when using your grills. The hose features corrosion-resistant brass fittings for a secure seal. This design helps prevent leaks, ensuring your safety. The braided hose is designed to reduce damage from friction and animal bites. You can confidently use it outdoors. It has a 3/8 male flare and 3/8 female flare connector. Make sure it is compatible with your fittings before use. What we like. This extension line helps you connect multiple devices to your propane tank. It provides a safe distance between your appliance and the fuel tank, and the corrosion-resistant brass fittings prevent leakage. If you need a flexible and safe solution for your outdoor cooking, consider this. What people say. The hose is well made and appears to be durable. It works perfectly with my propane grill and allows me to move the tank away from the grill for safety. The length is perfect for my needs, giving me plenty of flexibility in tank placement. Number 1. DOZYANT 6-foot propane hose extension. Tired of your propane tank being too far away? This extension hose gives you the extra length you need. It's perfect for connecting your low-pressure regulator to various appliances. This hose features a stainless steel braided design with solid brass ends. This construction ensures it's long-lasting and durable, able to withstand the elements. With 3/8-foot female and male flare fittings, it connects to a wide range of low-pressure propane appliances. Use it with your barbecue grill, fire pit, or heater. This hose is designed for low-pressure propane appliances only, ensuring safe operation. It provides a secure connection between your tank and your devices. Simply connect this hose in addition to your existing hose for added length. It's a quick and easy solution for extending the reach of your propane setup. What we like. This hose is made of stainless steel braiding with durable brass ends. It is designed for low-pressure propane appliances. If you have a low-pressure appliance and need a reliable extension, this is a great option. What people say. Great replacement hose. Had issue with chipmunks and squirrels chewing on my old hose. Bought this as a replacement and worked perfectly. Seems well made and has held up well. Would recommend. This was easy to connect up to my RV and then to the regulator, very flexible, easy to use, easy to install, highly recommend. Just what the doctor ordered to extend the gas line of my propane pizza oven. Works great and looks professional too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.